Hello and welcome to part 3 of Millenium 2.2 on the Atari basement. My name is Sakib. So since the last recording, I've played I think maybe 2 hours plus, and today's date is the 12th of October 2202. So from the last time, I think was it 13th June we were on. So we've progressed quite a bit. And we've managed to get all the resources that I need to make the transport SIOS, and power needed 20,000 kilowatts, 100 oxygen, 1,100 titanium, which took a long time to produce. And in our mining, we can see we have 1,216 titanium. So we will now go to our production unit. We last made a Sologen MK7, just because I keep getting attacked and I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm just not a good pilot when it comes to fighting. Keep losing my battles. So let's get our ship, and we want to go to leader. And you can also see all the planets in green, or satellites. I've sent probes out and we've done research and we've established that, so there's not many planets left that are in the red, which probes are either going to or waiting to go to. Now I know leader has got uranium, which is what we need to produce an orbital laser. So I want to be sending people to leader, and here we go. So our mothership to leader is up and running, in progress. And what we've got on research, okay, let's research another planet or satellite, which is based in the solar system. Let's see what Amalthea is. Do some research on that. Oh, we're already on 33%, so we'll carry that on. Let's see. You can see our titanium resources 116 now, so it'll take us a long time to produce another mothership. So this game does take time, and if you're patient, you will be rewarded, I'm sure. Life support, we've got a population of 279 at the moment. I was attacked recently in September. On the 15th of September, we had 41 deaths, problems with the water, and our Sologen Mach 9 was destroyed. We've got 9 fighters currently, so I did bulk up on fighters since the last video. You can also see all the green planets here. So there's a lot of probes I've sent out and a lot of planets the probes have come to. So we've only got nine planets left to visit, and the ones in yellow, once the research is complete, we can find out what they are or if they're suitable. The moon is currently where we are at, and leader is leader, however you say it. It's the planet we will be going to, and it's got hydrogen, nitrogen, methane, sulfur, copper, silica, iron, and uranium. Now uranium is what we need. If I show you on research for weapons, our orbital laser needs 10 uranium, so we do need that, and we should be good. Am I producing hydrogen on the moon? Hydrogen, yeah, good. And let's see what's going on in our base. So there's we've also got a Carrack now in Bay 1, and this will be able to load any minerals from a planet, and can then bring it back to the moon. So this will be on a colonized planet if we want to use it, and we can also take crew there with this base once we've colonized the planet, and it can carry 80 minimum crew. Capacity is actually 1,000. Well, payload. Also, just to show you as well, we now have a bunker, which is down here, because we made a bunker. On a bunker, currently we've got generators here. I think I'm going to make some more Mach 10 generators just to take with us, or if you can take it with you. But let's get back to research. And what's production at? 10%. Let's have a quick look at the bullet board. And this is what's happened so far. Fury has a mineral asteroid. Robocop 1 has reached the asteroid. Centipede has reached the asteroid orbit. Fury has reached the asteroid orbit. Tetris has reached the moon base. Saturn orbit has reached Saturn. So I've started to call. Have I called any of them? Anyway, so a quick look at. Right, this is Earth. How do we? Alright, that's how we zoom out. So where is Leda? Will be near Callisto, Europa, near Jupiter, is it? Let's have a look where Jupiter is. Saturn, Jupiter, Europa, Pasiphae, Ganymede, Amalthea, Io, Leda. Yeah, Leda is near Jupiter. Okay, so that's where we're at so far. Let's just advance. Amalthea research has been completed, so let's have a look at the research on this. So unusable satellite. Probe indicates intense radioactive winds from Jupiter which saturate the entire moon. We cannot survive here, so that's good to know. And what should we take? Let's have a look at Titania. So get research going there. Production's at 28%. We've got a couple of grazers that have got back to us. Here's one of them, Vroom. Let's see what's on its payload. Some more titanium is always good. And we will launch you back. Bay 3. Tetris Grazer has arrived. And he's got plenty in his payload. 80 platinum. And we will send you back into orbit, Tetris. And then we will go to our craft roster, and send Tetris to the asteroids to get more resources. Off you go. And we will also send Vroom back to the asteroid to get more resources. And just to let you know, I accidentally sent was it Populus to Pluto, which is a complete accidental shot. He's 163 days away from Pluto. I don't know what he's going to do when he goes to Pluto. I don't know whether my crew, the 4-man crew, are going to be alive, or the Grazer's going to be on autopilot, because I don't know how they're going to survive 163 days, because they usually just go to the asteroids and get resources. So that was an accident. Basically, I can't change the course. Diversion is now impossible, so that's something to be mindful of, that if you accidentally send one of your crafts to somewhere other than the asteroids, you might never see it again. Let's see where Arc, after the company Arc's 52 days away from Neptune. Okay. And is there anything else? let's complete the base and get it sent out. Titania research is complete. So let's have a look at that. Titania, lifeform methanoid. Atmosphere is mostly methane, so mutation will be inevitable. So unlivable. Deposits of hydrogen, oxygen, water, methane, sulfur, copper, silica, and silver. I'm not sure what we need silver for yet, but we will find out, I'm guessing, at some point. Right, let's do some more research. Let's do some research on Phoebe. 52% complete on our ship, mothership. And these are the asteroid belts that we usually send our grazers to find resources. So we go further than Venus, Mercury. Mars is the alien mutated enemies of ours that come and attack us, which we will have to get round to attacking at some point, but not just yet. We need to colonize planets and basically get some kind of advantage going, because at the moment we've only got, well, population up to 286, so we'll make some more nodules after the spaceship is complete. Phoebe research has been completed. Let's see what we say about Phoebe. Phoebe, okay, so life form humans can live there. Resources: hydrogen, oxygen, water, nitrogen, methane, titanium, silica, and iron. Okay, so Phoebe is a planet we can colonize as well, a bit further away than some of ours. Let's have do some research on Ipetus. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing these correctly. Lemmings has mineral asteroids. Let's see what we've got. Titanium there. Got some platinum and some copper. We will take it. And we will go back to the moon, which takes 22 days and 2 hours. Cyrus production has been complete. Excellent. So we should not. Will it be in the base? Where is it? Where do I find it? Production complete. So what do I do now? How to... Is it a Sios to take, or is it... Why can I not? Should it not be here where the carrot is? Or is it automatically going to leader? So look. Leader base, is that the one? Yes, Sios. Leader base in orbit. All systems are functioning in orbit of the moon. So I'm guessing we have to send you to leader. Yep. 64 days to get there. Okay. And set the course. Craft is already on course. Okay, sorry. So we are off to leader to colonize. Excellent. Now, can I also send some items on Carrick? Bay 1, it's got Carrick on it, so let's what should we take? Let's take some fighters. Take 5 fighters. We'll take a Mach 10. I'm sure we will need that. And start it. So we're taking a Mach. So this is a ship for heavy items, cargo carrier, I'm guessing. We're taking 5 fighters and 1 Thologen MK generator. What should I take? We'll take a Mach 7 as well, just in case. What do I need a? Well, I can't produce stuff there, so why would I need? Why would I need a Mach 10? Anyway, I'll take take one anyway, and we will also take our MK7 generator. Okay, what else shall we take? We will take peoples with us. It's signing crew now, so we've got 80 crew on there. Excellent. Loading bay. Don't think we can produce anything over there, so that will be more to do with coming back, I'm guessing. Name the craft. We called it Manchester. Couldn't fit Manchester in, which is where I'm from originally. Love my city. So let's launch Carrick and send him. Where's Manchester? There we are. We want to go to Leader, which is where we are going to colonize. So that'll take 64 days. Okay. And off we go. And that is that for this episode. So we have achieved making a colonization ship to Center Leader. We've also now sent a ship containing various items, and I'm guessing I have 4 fighters, so I want to make more fighters, more minerals, and another one of them ships, which is going to take a while because it needs 1100 titanium. Yeah, 1100 titanium to make the ship, and then we'll colonize somewhere else, and then we're on the go. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you for the next episode. Bye now.